Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can remove a payment method on Trading 212. So let's get started. To effectively manage your financial details and remove a saved payment method, first open the Trading 212 application on your device. You then need to locate the main menu, which is often represented by three horizontal lines, sometimes situated in the bottom right corner or sidebar, depending on your device. So tap on those lines to open the navigation panel. Once the menu is open, look for and select the Manage Funds option, which takes you to the area where you handle deposits and withdrawals. Within the Manage Funds section, click on Deposit even though you are removing a method. This step reveals all your linked deposit sources. Here, you will see a list of all your previously used and saved payment methods, which may include bank transfers, credit cards, or e-wallets. Next to the payment method you wish to delete, you should see an icon, often a small X or a trash bin symbol. So click on this icon next to the relevant bank transfer or card detail. The app will usually prompt you with a confirmation message asking if you are sure you want to proceed with the deletion, and it might also ask you to enter your password or use biometric verification for security purposes. So confirm the action to permanently remove the stored payment information. Successfully completing these steps ensures the selected method is deleted from your profile, enhancing your account security and letting you add new methods as needed for future deposits. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.